Part of the program also includes the ability to put a prescription ordering form on each individual Haven Pharmacy website. This is an easy task to do for your website developer. If you click on the setup instructions, there's some code in here. You need to copy and paste that code, send that to your developer. They'll know what to do with that. It needs to go onto a secure form. That secure form then will be on your website. When a patient comes to that website, they'll be able to enter in a prescription, and that will come through to orders from your website in this particular tab here. The order form looks something like this. We haven't got it styled here, but you can see the patient puts in their name. They can upload an image of the script, an email address. The email address is for you. We do not send an email automatically to them, or we do not send them email reminders. Their phone number, collection method that you set up, in this case pick up or deliver, and the payment method that you set up, so through payment scheme or credit card and file, along with a comment related to it, the script, and they press submit. So a couple of things just to look at in this website order portion of the pharmacy portal. You can search for prescriptions in much the same way as you can do with the mobile orders. In order to view a prescription, just click view, and here's all the details associated with that particular prescription. Just to add that push messages do not work between this web order form and the patient. It's just the nature of the technology behind website browsers. You can add an internal message only. You can't send anything to the patient. You can mark as processing, so the script is processing. Again, that's just for your own internal use. Mark as complete, same thing. The patient does not get a notification, and also mark as reject. But they can also be done for your own purposes so that you know that this prescription, for example, is complete.